In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect your Bluetooth speakers to your HP desktop, laptop, or tablet device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best results will come back with settings. Go ahead and select that. Select Bluetooth and devices on the left panel, and then navigate to the devices category on the right, and then select add device. Make sure your speakers are properly configured to your home Wi-Fi network, and then you would select Bluetooth, and then make sure, of course, the device has to be turned on too, and then it should be detectable here, and that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.